Ei voina press meet poimo tak kan han ko ani a chumi ma chuanin NH lam hi an ho tu lu ber an kal puya he alo mom hle maya in malak na kan malak ho na te po ara anin ka tian kina ka soi zawanga kalai khadule introduction hi kan nei tir lok mai don ami tro nge ke mani pot ni la tro ni pon nim se chuang si lawa we will be conducting the press meet in Mizo, and we have disseminated a write-up in Mizo. So after that, we'll have a question and answer Q&A time. And I'll start with my briefing with in Mizo. I'll start my briefing in Mizo. Mizo in kasoi me nga ni chuan ni kina kan soi ho pura nga ila kan so na te ne sap tunga kan soi sap tunga soi har kan ti ni chuan Mizo ko han zot me ila chuan hei an pu berani a chula ya te ko koi mo do na ni kan soi du pakata chu ne hei kan MJ te in kan lom khop maya achan kan soi du chu vena ko kan puta ka bula kanin huma satwa yan ron lu ta mania kan thil ti vel kha ministry venga thenga an hau ta me ni chula ya te ko chu hoina hianin nge khalaya press tak kan neya katiang achul anga akuna nge athen na tu chin thing the te po kha alom uma khalaya kha kan han tran main kan soi ni chu engpon isa hoina ka soi tu ri thil tharani lem lowa kan thil ti to na te background te le nge ma kan lo lak to na khalaya kha ka soi zuai anga chumi zowa chuanin Q&A le ani di tangponin thu soi tu rom ni chon kan somanga khami zo khan Q&A ti kan tum chodon nia hian kan chanange National Highway 02 mo NH 54 tia kan thria trim hi Serchhip district chunga hianin package thum le bypass pan hi oma NHIDCL hnuaya contractor pathumin an toka chung te chu package 1 a contractor hi Shivalaya Construction Limited ni in Serchhip district chunga pulmoy atanga baptong mol kol theng a huamani ni somhi panga me samhi somhi pali khan na anzo felani emi contractor kan soyate hi kan hriat anga enge ani na ngowin kan mention ani ti kam lo fiat sabdon nia package 2 huam chung hi hei hiani a baptong mol kol le keichumin car hi Cram Infracon Private Limited in an thoka ni somthum pakhat March samhi somhi pali khan an so fel ani chuan chiatlang le Serchhip bypass hi Cram Infracon Private Limited in an thoka ni somthum March samhi somhi pali khan an so fel ani helai hi Serchhip sorry package 3 contractor hi Bhartiya Infra Project Limited BIPL ni keitu matanga bung tang thing a huama ni somthum April 2025 khan an so felani kan soi du chu heta hianin mani khanin meeting kan neya chuta chon kan naw tu pom huna kal thapin kan ADC hole nge kan phutlang suai tu te nen tiang khain vakala chuta chuanin package 3 hi engma defect kan hulawani kitop me te I would like to bring this to the notice of our ED here that package 3 during that ground verification, spot verification, there were no potholes. Recently it was conducted. So I would like to bring this to the notice of our ED as well as the press also, that they have done a very beautiful job regarding the maintenance of the road within our district. Kalaya kha kan sedonania mani apo kan seto thawang na an thozo atanga kong an enkol zui hun tu chu defect liability period DLP and hi anzo felni work completion date atang chiarin kumli chung ahuamang ini DLP kha kumli chung ahuaman an thozo ni ka kan chiat bekka chuan monitoring and inspection chungchang kan soi leanga hi kan on tirachang kan tilem lowa tun financial year kan soi ani ama pon meeting kan nei tuizena khalaya pheka chuani nge court case le til song nge acquisition chungchanga felbei te lo te ka kan boi pu ani kha ka chu kan mention lowa til tu dar ni to chi alowa tuna hi chuan tun financial year 2025-26 in kar hi kan soi last financial year sorry la tun in kar ani chu tun thleng ani ang chu chuan in hei hi kan ti dan ho chuan ni kan monitoring la inspection kan ti dan te meeting kan ti dan te district administration chuan NHO2 contractor te kong siam na tho te le an enkol zui zel dan te vil rangin chief district chunga MJA te kan sub headquarters te YMA te le VC association ayo te ne na tho na that tak noya joint inspection nei trinania April sangni somni panga atanga nimin thleng khan kong thom that na endik na le stakeholder sang thut khom na meeting hi anoi mi anga nei hiani kan han ti chawani chu aptir bera chuan 11/4/2025 kha DC hawa kong pui siam that na kalpui dan thirlet na meeting nei ania huna hian kong siam that retaining wall sak that road marking le leimin ven na tho to te le tho chunjom ngai te soi howani helai kan soi duwa chu nie kan contractor te kan kong min siam sak tu te po hianin all I a sense so heklo lo hi anril ruwa hian om ve in country a chulai example kan soi duwa chu bak tong chan in so ani lo thei lowa solai bak tong chan in so tira kan nom tir khan kha min dang tu lian ani kha kan nom tir ponin pi chan te po tang heng he a kan va verify tir lo min thale to sia khatiang vel khanin kan khosa ani a chu ta chon meeting kan han nei khanin kan contractor package 1 they're the package 1 contractor right bokon chanin yeah package 1 contractor te khanin all something vera plan run siam khan tu mani chu ta chuanin ma sengin ke ni kha i kan trang ve a khata chuan tu na mi am son kan siam tir tani an har sat ve tang tang mani kan in zone mun lut tu ka khamia tuma po kanin kan han ko wan ma ni ngo te po kha tiang khan an siama enge ra kan ti chuan tun thengin so son har sana min na then lo chulaya chuan quality hi tuna hen real rual lian le so kan compromise thei lo ti lai hi enge a district administration ang ponin real rual alian ma chuwang chuanin tuna kan nor chho turin zo na te a po kha kharon zot te uti lai te po kha kan han soidua a quality te an build le enge an BOQ ang te niam chu khatiang zong kha enge ron zot chho thei ula ti kha kan ngen cheu mal nge ni chuanin ni som pariat thariat sang ni som pahia khan som ni panga khan DC kai chuaina in kong siam that le thom that na tho dan tu soi ho ani le a package chu hom chunga ba tong ser chip kong chu ni som panga November 2025 ralma black top zokel tour achu Christmas ma mo kan tran chho lai ni chu enge kan suan lam ber kha chu enge zinbe wa kan tamahi chu enge Christmas lai nuam sataka an khuwa te kan hon tho theinan ti te ka ni kha NH let chiatlang bypass a retaining wall siam that na te chu 15 October sang ni som ni panga azo fel tur le Silium Kitum thom that le black top chu 15 November le 1st December 2025 chunga khoi zo tur le serchi bypass lama maba omte po 15 January changni somni parukral ma azo fel tura relani atini eta hianin deadline hi ganin petrina ma sengin emi timeline hi chu kan bo fel zel meya chulaya chu helaya tuna kan notice tharta ka chu monitoring hi meeting to meeting ni lawin meeting karan ni tin deu tholo monitor alut nei karon man chawni tuna hi kan han po ho thatna hianin khalaya te po kha kan han highlight duwa chuan ni som pariat ka som pakha chang ni som ni panga wage banal ring puya NH staff DC office chuan inspection report helu tin package 1 hom chunga kong che siam ngai claim zofel ani tu te package 2 hom chunga pothol siam chaturin GSB pha kalpui me ani tu te khatian kha aron report pokani chu kan monitor kha ani thona chungin tuna kan monitor ho dan hi ava effective zual ve ti khar aron lang chiang reng ta ni chon ninga thasom pani sang hi som ni panga kan han thu ho le a DC ho win kong siam that na tho chho dan thir le tin contractor te chuan ni som pariat thariat changni somni panga meeting thurel anga na an tho chak lo chan soi fe in hun bithar siam sak an nia hetiangin ka hnoya ha kan mua bak tong to share chip ha Christmas sangni somni panga ma thom that le bitumen zofel kan ti a share chip bypass kha ni somni thakhat changni somni paruka zofel Silium to Kitum kha ni som thum pakhat thakhat changni somni paruk ma a na zofel kan ti ni kha chuanin ni kwa thakhat changni somni paruka khanin tikhan kan han thu ho le a kan tol zel ani kha mo hun bi ruat that le ani a bak tong to sel chip kha February ni som Saidiam to Ketum February ni som sel chip bypass ni som ni pariat February sang ni som ni paruk ma in ti ni le ta ni khateng khan kan han kal chho ta zel kha ni a chuan ni som ni pali thatum sang ni som ni paruka bisi howa thu khom chuan kong pui siam awanga mi malhar san na tok te chungchang an ngai tuam ba ka thom that na tho mek te an soi howa khum tung huam chunga khuar te April sang ni som ni paruka no zom han an tum thu te crime contractor in package 2 huam chunga na tho tur 93% vel azo pel thu te ba ka package 3 huam chunga kilometer som vel maintenance work tho ma ba ko pakhat chunga zo fel an ni tu te don ani chuanin ni sari thali akan thule a kan thulo sorry puchong tu kan SDC le branch officer ni bok le NA staff ten ser chief bypass indik na nein PNE veng VC area Uzolian sota kom thang le taxation department staff quarter kote tanga te retaining wall breast wall siam that le leibung pai chung changa malang na tu te ruam han na siam mani ti ani ta a chuan ni som panga ni som panga le ni som pasari klasari sang ni som ni paruk mani de ulok ani to chu kan ADC howin kai hruaina hnuaia SDC kan BOT NA staff le YMS sub headquarters 10 serchi IO tele joint inspection nei ani a package 1 huam chunga khwar hno ngai engmo za tomin package 2 huam chunga ero a chebik le ti mu ani khwar hno ngai retaining wall siam that mun then khata kong le retaining wall technical design thak ngai parapet siam that le mabak bel khomin chain it somriat vel lai malak na tur om thu tarlan ani a package 3 ero soisel tur om lowin he him mani china ka soi chia kha ni kan meeting a po tuna po hen kan ko ta lo ani san chun thok tra ema ko na chan tu kan se chia lo wa khala ya kha ni nge kan soi war thei chuanin thil tha te soi war ve thomila a chia te po a tul dana zerin soi war ila ti la ya kha kanin nge na chuan ni ruk tharia chang ni som ni paruka khanin joint inspection report soi hona nei ni in NHIDCL contractor package 1 2 3 le MJA joint VC sub headquarters YMA IO te antela report an malang na tur talan te bozu ya ni dan ba ka tu hun tiam siam sakan ni a NHIDCL IO te chon package 2 contractor chu ni somni haria chang ni somni paruk ral ma theng fataka thom thanna na zo fel tu le lekha an pek thu le ti ho thing theilo ani chuan retender tu ani thu an tar langa DC point hun tiam chunga nan tho thalo ani chuanin amo an zo fel lo ani chuanin dananga malak ani to thu ani tu in abo khan bok tilai hi kan soibel lokanga helai hi kan NHIDCL po hianin mania ka soi tong deuh khanin anin lo nem liam ve mei mon le anni hi a monitoring le diktaka penalty pe thei tu hemi NH Act noya penalty pe thei tu anni ti hiril ruwa oma chuta chuanin ngatinge hetian palzut biau ni ti kan han en khanin ma sengin khami meeting ni ru tharia ta kan meeting khanin khatiang han ma lo la fe a ti hetian ni chuan ni somni tharia pa a hemi potho zong in fill lo ani chuanin enge nangma ni in percentage in don to percentage sumi zat chu katani anga chu kan retender ang ti kha an lo ziak ve bokani kha le kha sasik kan than min pe ngal nge a kan meeting khan khata kha chon ngai a thadewa chu lowa kan soi bel duwa chu helaya dan manga ti lai hi mani po khan kan soi to thowa hemi BNSS 152 noya hianin tuna chonin thilom zia chon public nuisance ani ve ni pakhana chonin tuna hianin draft hi mani khanin legal team kha ti kan CJM lam office atangin district judiciary lam atang an roin tira pathum an roin tira an ukila te kha khatene han kan soi ho nge a chuta chuanin kan soi pakhata chu khami keimani draft tur an mani in fil ti fulo le tak se dan hnuai ma kan lak dan tur kha min lo en sakula min lo vet sakanga kan ra phel te lo omem kan dan kut atekha enge fulo deu te omem ti khamin lo clarify sakula chu miron vet ula miron phon let lenga khami kha kan man ruwa ro thui turani ti lai te kan in sila chuta chuan 152 noya khan public nuisance ani tu te khalaya kan mention chu he kong chhia wang hianin nunna chan te pon omani ti lai te kan mention ani chuta chuan khami kha ke ni thu ringot khanin nunna chan ti kha kan va evidence kha thing don lo ani chu ta chon hei puluat te kan ADC te kan sadar te ponin police ten lo bia a DTO ten lo bia ta khanin an incident report anon petani chulaya langchi a chuan enge a cause of accident le a cause of nunna achan na chanan ti kha chuanin kha kong kha anna lutu ka pakhat phei chunga te accident a thlenan ti khan pothole khuara kha pum pelat tuma wangin atlan koya anin suwa ti kani kan chu evidence kan nei thatal tu kani kha pa ka mi nunna lak thei kong chia wangin khateng te kanin ha ani chu midang ne na tang kopin chulai te po chu kan malak chhodan ani a chulai chu kan han soidu ani a chuanin as nisom pani thariat chang ni som ni parukan kan SDC le branch officer ni bok te le kan MJA te member 10 package 1 and 2 huam chunga kong thom that na tho mek chu ending na nei ani le a kwar no na ta na lungla ko trip nga chu hi thakop mai lo mom khop mai hi ka lo chiar ke ma ngei ko khanin etianga kan vigilant ho hi alomom district administrator ang ponin inzara hei ba ka achievement chu om chuang mun le ti te hi karil ro lo oma khalaya kha in chunga polom tu kan soi bu ma nge a kan branch officer ri chu soi lowa loya da mai la tro ru ani po kharon kala ti khan ni pai khong takin chu mai bokani thina na chuan ni som pali tharia chang ni som ni paruka khanin joint inspection report bozuin NHIDCL contractor package 2 IOT MJA joint VC le YMS sub headquarters IOT chuan additional VC howin an thukoma joint inspection nei lai hian mun lia chia na tho ani chu tarlan ani mo chu anla kan la inzalu tuklo mo khala ya po khan thoktu le man ruin dai lo na le chimfel tura hriat tiran ni a contractor 10 henzol kong thatlo awanga lung duanga thale tam an mu mai theilo chungchang po mundang atanga cholut tura hriat tir anni meeting masa lo rel to angin puntiam chunga na te tho zo man ani theinan chaktaka bozui tura hriat tir non ni a puntiam pel tu ni somni pakat hariat hian joint inspection nei le turani tilai ni somni kha nge NH1 last nge an timeline an pe khani a chuan ni som pasari hariat sang hi somni paru chu nimin khani to ni chu an update chen khop mai kan SDC le branch officer howin kan PWD lam tuna chuanin technical laman ron tel to ta nun lang to ta a kha improvement zelani tilai kha kan highlight bu a hi kan ADC na ron suggest angani nge ani chuan kan MJA te kan YMS sub headquarters le joint VCIO 10 package 2 huam chunga kong khuar na thona atana an lung man te endik na le an tho kalmek endik na nei ani a lung hi then zola an kuari lama duanga atam tok lo awangin keitum le bung bangla ami te an lei tel boka lunglak te hi du thu sam vek lo ma se a thotha phatti chu inspection team chuan a hmu dan ani ei ka lo thia dan nia ni an adikam chutro khalai zon kina han soi leila excavator hitachi pakhat black hole loader JCB panga le loader pakhat mangin labor somni panga in na an thoka ki kon tu chingchi pin kar khuarte boulder manga hnonin hemia tanga phul moi lamero anla mabak a siatlang bypass an mason na hu tu omin keitum lama machop an neya serchi bypass ero khoi alani lo lai hi nikina zona pokanin zot tam dewila enge an pending lai hi eng tikange eng tinge ti lai kha khalai kha Q&A raise ti chuanin issues and way forward atop na ka nai to a pakhatna chuan NHIDCL contractor a bikin package 2 le bypass and to te hian puntiam chungan hatho so an harsat le a National Highway CM ani lai atangin an work quality at halo nia ngai thei ani amero chu defect liability period ala oma hian thei to pa contractor te vila kong than nei nge tura malak tum ani tilai hei hi kan han stress lukanga an bin hun chu kan thlame nga saptoin kan soi nge nga in this issues and way forward this has been highlighted. The number one point is, since inception, this particular package number 2, has been taking up the work in a substandard manner. So this has, resulted in this kind of situation we are heading right now. So we, from the district administration as well as from the public, during this defect liability period, we will be very strenuous. We will be stringent as well. This is our commitment of the NGOs, commitment of all the public. So I would like to bring this to the notice of Package 2 contractor. There will be no more excuses, and if need be, as has been asserted in the last meeting, we will take legal actions. Legal action will not only be against the contractor, it will be against the NHIDCL as well. Legal vetting has been done by our legal team from the judiciary side. We had a meeting last Friday with them. So this is our commitment, and this is what we intend to do. I'll stress this point again. This is what we intend to do if there is any mix up in this maintenance process again. Number 2, district administration chuan kong pui tha nei ani theina na thok en declare vil kunga district chunga polrang Mizoram Journalists Association joint VC sub headquarters tenen ho na that tak an nei ti chu lo alomom mati in malam huna po atula piang che suak thei turin asomin kan base zel ani ti lai kha kan stress duwa chu ta chuan helai hian soibel du kan nei chu kan khutlang hruai tu te kan VC te poniam chu kan MJA te le kan sub headquarters YMA te khongain entinanin DC lamin kan ron initiate lo pon keima ni ham than nei keima ni association keima ni wal big ang pon lo wat chuak kila an mani om kher po hingai lo ni lung te khalo ve entela tha laila report ila kan ko mei don ani chu claimin tuna joint inspection nei rang chu how takani district administration te YMA khalaya kha how tak mei ba ka how tak chu da chaila e hun hi e pulua te po e thil ti turin kan tia kan han tir chuak le ama khoi alo ni to sia thil drafting te kha khalai kha delay kan nei ve ta ni kan man mo box se thil de lam thil tam tak kan koi sia chulaya chuanin i mani ham thanna mani machang sian na khan lo wa fe chuak kila tha laila he lunghi chel to te sa ti kha kain tir hal meang bokana khatiang deu khanin ti khanin joint inspection ka chu arem huna kan han nei le nga meeting khami le kha kan on suanga kanin kan khatia kan han soi ho huwa kan khatiang te po khani ti tumila kha ko ai min stress sak ro e abik takin YMA te po kha anni thei chu an veng tina YMA ne ya khata khan lo fe chu e thalo wei tharun la se wantlang bil tu po kan nei long wantlang bil tu khan soi mei se ron complain mei se etama non kal se ni kon khatiang kha detail te lekin ni ron min ti sakula ti kha kan han ngien duwa chuan al atop na chuan contractor te na thona tur man ruwa mei poi moni o kho hei kan witness to ania complain te kan don to ania mania FIR te kan thelun henge ani usuai te lam tro FIR thelu tu kha khata khanin kan soi duwa chu hemi kan soi ma hianin NH nan thoka boulder an han pha ta ni anan pha kha an fiat lo line pick up mangin rudu pola no meni kha thala kan lo nei hlawa kan hne na non samita police ne na kan thon chowa police na zaman ha chuan FIR an thelu ta huwa ni no kha aboi kha khop mai chuwa chuan hei hi number 3 kan on ti na chana ni a contractor ten na thona tur man ruwa ruk bo om thin a thet to lo nan chu kan soibel le duwa chu chingchip lama po sonin bak to ngani ma zo ang chu retaining wala chin tha lung khalo po vet mai ni khating te po complain on lu ta khata kha chung kan FIR ta em lo wa achana chu apu tur ha kan verse tat lo thalak evidence kha kan nei box si lo wa tu lak nge ti la ya kha chu wa chuanin I kan tho ho na ngai ni a public ang pon tunga ru tu khal thla te lo la se mai se phone kan nei trip to sia khatiang khanin a number te nen khan om thei se chu kan han soi lang le duwa district administration ชวนเรียกเตียนเลขาแล้วชัวตัวให้มีที่รูปบ่จุงจางเฮียน district ชัวมีปุยเตจูฉันเนมง่ายตะกามานี่เทนะ zone ชบ่กงเสียมเลทอมชัดนาวิลตูเลวันตางทิลเตเลมาโซนนะโทเตในตุริลรูปุจุงาอินคุลซุยเซตุรินกันินซาบุกอันนี้อีกค่ะอีเฮลายฮิจวานิน I love share chips su ka soi to lo me ang ka soi pe hen ka soya eng po ni se i kha ke ni lamatranga i kan han nge tho to dan te le kan malak to dan te le nge ti tura kan han ngai deu chu ni ke tang chuan ka du to me nga chuanin an ed hi kan so manga i adu zong soi turin chon chu mi zo chuan we can do a Q&A I'd like to invite our ED here if you want to address the press or regarding any commitments or anything you felt in your heart, we'd like to open the time for you.
Okay. Basically, until last week, I was not aware that the situation is so bad until I saw that newspaper clipping. Because we have our own monitoring system of all the media for the entire country. So it happened that on the particular next day after the newspaper came out, so we normally see it in we have a WhatsApp group. So we sit there. So after that, I spoke to Shashi. Actually, Shashi also was on leave. He had gone to give a test, an exam, to be inducted into an type. So I told him to talk to our authorities in India also. So I told them to at least resolve this issue because now it has gone to the top level. So this is the history of this situation that we are in. And regarding the commitment, I discussed this with the contractor. So I was told that around 60 kilometers, he has completed 50 kilometers of temporary restoration. And the remaining 10 kilometers, he assured that he will do it by 20th. So I'm not sure whether he'll be able to do or not. Ayush, can you give a firm commitment? NH54. Day and night.
Okay, thank you. Alom kom mai he kan soi bel le dua chu press chakma te lang chiang via maya tuna kan thil ti chawa hiani china soyan khanin tuna kani di pona soya kha how to lu ber beng atheng ati khan newspaper te po India chuan national newspaper alang na ni maya kalaya kha nge adik zonga kan tang ho ani chuanin kan khotlang tan kan ram tan ti te ang mason na hi nge achieve a thei don hian tuna hian ka experience mo a personal experience ang ponin ema chon conviction aron takot maya eng poni se kha in chunga in experience te in lo hriat zaw zawm na hemi media system akal dan te hatiam tangkai min man tangkai puya min tho so puya kha kan press meet te chunga lom thu kan han soi on ani chu verana tuna chuanin kan zo du press main lowin ke mani lama tangpo khanin zo du kan nei ni chuanin official lama tangpo khanin zo tila on tuna zona kha an chang fak lovin ka fia kan han chiang lok te the question I think the NHIDCO side regarding the period what our MJ president was asking I believe was on account of the recent inspection because I think day before yesterday or I don't know the exact date it was written here that they came for the inspection with our branch officer additional DC and we saw many stones or boulders on the roadside okay and some of them were laid in those pitches matlab in those potholes and when they look at the stones it was very substandard it was very low quality and they asked the contractor also to remove it again and 5 trips were removed. It was clearly mentioned in our paper also. So the question is, since we have the resident engineer to inspect all these things, it was believed that it was vetted by the resident engineer that those boulders, those stones, they have passed the test. So this is our question. How can those stones, which according to a layman with no engineering background, can just prove that this is a substandard stone, this is not for the road? If he can, if he can just say it like that, how can our resident engineer pass those stones for using it in the potholes? Number one question. Okay. And number two is, if NHIDCL, if we look at the NH Act, they are the monitoring, you can say, and they are, they have the prerogative to give all those penal actions. If that is so, what is the schedule for your monitoring? Because now if the district administration or the media personnel or the joint YMA or the VCs have not been involved, it would be a big public nuisance right now. The roads I'm talking about. We have heard the report from the police, the DTO as well. There has been an incident of road accident. And you know what is the cause of that road accident? Slippery road, potholes. He was trying to divert it, and one motor came from the other side and they clashed. That was the report he was shown by the branch officer yesterday. No, sorry, the day before yesterday. It was all on record. These are the legal proceedings I'm talking about. So please feel free to answer our query. Please. Question number one is that one, substandard. How can it be approved?
Ari, sir, please respond.
No, report. If there was no inspection, it would have been used. That's the thing we are talking about. After inspection, you told them to remove it. That's fine. But before the inspection, why was it not? Is there no monitoring? Is there no inspection? Or it was just passed? Underhand. That's a question we are talking about. This is an affront to the district administration, to the public as well. It's a big insult for us. Last time also I posted in that group also. The comments from the public I'm getting is like it's an affront and insult to the district administration. They have no more belief in the district administration. We have had so many meetings and they are telling that, this district administration is calling them for meetings and nothing is happening. That's what their attitude is now. They have no confidence in us. So, it's a good, that has widened our knowledge in this aspect. One thing I'd like to highlight is that's very pertinent, issue you're raising from the NH side, because encroachment is very preponderant. You can just witness it when you go around also. But the thing is, from my incumbency, what I feel is the application which we have received regarding encroachment, I think we have all settled. Qingqi, we have taken down the pillars, and you know that area, which area is that? Caterham area. What I'm trying to say is, if there is an issue on encroachment raised or complaint, not from NH only, from the VC also, if we receive it, I assure you that we are 100% acting on it. And we have delivered as well, as far as I know. So the other things, though, I believe we have not received any issue on this encroachment. So if you raise the issue to us, we will take actions accordingly. And recently also, Qingqi, they have constructed a garage. Chiatlang also, they have constructed a garage. It was dismantled.
In Chiatlang bypass, they have entered from that junction of Chiatlang, 2-3 houses constructed. We raised that issue from the previous DC.
No. The previous though, Choro. Okay? From my tenure, I'm talking about.
Okay,
If you want, you raise that again.
Sure.
We will take necessary action.
come and meet Mrs.
Yes.
All the issues.
If it's very like our branch officer has said, it's very difficult for us to know all those people who have made that encroachment. The knowledge as well as all those stuff are with you now. So you bring it to our notice, as well as the new thing that this ED sir was saying, NH Land Traffic and Control Act. Under that you have that prerogative also. You can issue the notice and you give us the copy as well.
Yeah.
Sir, that is, sir, one thing is that mentions that the beyond the rank of the DCM and still not issue that notice.
No, it's okay. I advise you. You are the acting GM. Okay.
So
They are not giving me
One time we give to the coordinator, but they are not listening. They say that this is our
Yeah,
land.
after that we go.
Sashi, what I'm telling is give them the copy, give a copy to us, okay? Then we'll be aware of it. And if he is not, acknowledging or, taking necessary action, you raise it to us. So this should be the process. If you just give up on what your act has been, how it has been reacted upon, so what the failure holder, no? Anyway, I think we should end this because it's more than, almost 1 hour now. So what I'd like to highlight is this thing on the quality. Let's be specific with the quality of the boulders. Now we have witnessed which quarry has a good boulder. As a latest report I received is K2 quarry has a good boulder. And the boulder you're taking from this thing, Boom Bangla and Tenzol, it's acceptable, but not to the standard of that K2 site. That's what I heard. So from now, if we can take it from K2, the best quality, that should be our emphasis on this. And another thing is regarding that DLP. What our previous president was asserting was it's very pertinent here, because we feel that if our roads are lasting only look at bypass road, it was completed during the month of March. Now it's like a kacha road. Or that time when you had that spoil bank inspection with the PD sir, I looked at the video and I asked him when he came to my office, I asked him, is that an off-road? No, sir, he said. That's a bypass road. That kind of dilapidation is happening out here. So let's be very stringent with our quality. And another thing I'd like to raise is what we discussed in my office before the meeting, that this thing, that plan, that RCC, I don't know the specific what you mentioned, LQ or something like
I
that.
think we should do it. That's what we have.
Kaka,